Hello, it's Chelsea Jerusalem with the Jerusalem's Happy Home team, and today I wanted to talk to you about how to tap into your home equity without having to pay income tax or excise tax. So a lot of people have recently seen a huge amount of gain in their equity in their home, and there's a lot of things you could do with that equity, but you don't necessarily want to sell your home to be able to access that. So how do you tap into that funds without having to put yourself in a position where you're having to pay too much in taxes? You can do a cash out refi on your home, either on your primary residence or on any investment properties that you have. So on a primary, you can do up to 80% of your value that you can borrow, and then on an investment property, you can do 75% loan to value. And you can borrow that money without having to pay any income tax or excise tax. It's just a repositioning of your loan on your current property, so they don't consider that to be income per se. So you can tap into that, use it to buy other things. I personally just recently used a cash out refi to purchase a second home for myself. So I have that going on, and I'm using also some of the money from that to update that home so that it's going to be livable, because I bought a little bit of a fixer. So that's something that could potentially be an option for you if you're looking for a vacation home, somewhere to escape to. That is one way that you can tap into those funds without having to worry about paying those taxes. And we all know we don't want to have to pay any more taxes than we have to. So another thing that you could do is you could do a home equity line of credit. That is another option of being able to tap into those funds without having to refinance the full amount of your home. So you could just borrow a little bit. So that's another option. If you want to know what your home's worth in today's market, we're always happy to give you a current analysis on that. Or if you want to see what's available that you could reinvest in, we're also happy to help you with that. You can call, text, email anytime. We're always happy to help at the Happy Home Team, happyhometeam.com.